Assalamu alaikum students. I am an English teacher from Al-YS schools for class 4. Our topic for today's class is unit number 3, an artist. Please listen to my instructions very carefully and follow my instructions. Have a notebook and pencil with you and note down difficult words you find during lecture. Difficult words or any question you want to share with me, please note it down in your rough copy or rough notebook. During the lecture, I will share screen with you as you all seen on your screens. Please take screenshot and do all your work in fair copies carefully like you did in your school time. Please use pen and pointer for your fair work. Now you are in class 4, so you have to use pen and black pointer, blue ink pen and black pointer to fair your work. Don't interrupt me during lecture. Please, kindly, I am repeating again, don't interrupt me or raise your hand during the lecture. Once the lecture ends, you will be free to ask question. Okay? Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Now, I am starting our new chapter. Starting my new chapter, unit number 3, the artist. Okay? It is like the diary writing of a poet, a writer. Writer writing, it's sharing his diary experience with you. So this chapter is kind of a diary writing and kind of a diary sharing. So writer is sharing diary with you. 28 May 2012. This is the incident happened with the writer on 28th May 2012. You all know artist is the person who did amazing thing, okay? Who did something different, who did something creative. We call them artist. We call them artist, okay? Now, it was another dreadful day. I hated art class. Everyone else seemed to love mucking about with pencils and colors. We have a quite few artists in the class. There is Ned, who can draw beautiful sketches with amazing detail. And there is Dexter, who churns out fantastic landscapes. Even my friend Susan had won a consolation prize at the inter-school drawing competition with her landscape painting. Our school is known for its innovative approach, which this means is that we regularly have poets, environmentalists, mountaineers, and even doctors lecturing us. If the daily dread of the art class wasn't enough to drive me to despair, tomorrow there will be an expert coming to school to talk to us. As a part of the show, we have to paint while he walks around giving us his expert comments. Okay? What am I doing? Am I going to do? Is the cat going to be out of the bag finally? 29th May. Now he is sharing Another incident of 29th May 2012. The most unimaginable thing happened today. The art expert came to school today. He was the exact opposite of what I had shared. He was young, of medium height, and he bounced into the class with hair flopping down over his rimless spectacles. He even said good morning in a lovely voice and with a twinkle in his eyes. He seemed like a nice guy. After giving us a brief introduction about himself, the art expert told us to start working on our canvases. My canvas was as blank as my mind. I couldn't bear to mess it up. I don't know what to do. I was scared that everyone would know my secret. My secret once I started to paint. Then I saw the art expert approaching. I quickly grabbed the first tube of paint I could find and began to dab it all over the canvas. Then I picked up and other and other. I savagely dabbed paint in wild strokes all over the canvas. I was in great panic and fear. I was almost in tears when I finally stopped and dropped my brush. You would never believe what happened next. The art expert applauded. Everyone stopped working and started looking at us. The art expert declared, "Marvelous, you have the instinct." I was stunned. He loved my mess. He couldn't tell that I was colorblind. Is he really an expert? Or I was just plain lucky? It was a close shave. I went through today's ordeal without any knowing my secret. I wonder how long it would be before they discover that I am colorblind. I wonder how much longer I have to dread every art class. Okay, students, please, my friends, listen to me very carefully and note down all the queries which you faced during the class. Okay, it was the incident happened with the writer on 28 May 2012. Writer is sharing his diary with you. He is sharing his incident with you by sharing his diary with you. Okay, my friends? It was another dreadful day. Dreadful means something fearful, something which is you afraid of. Okay? I hated art class. Everyone else seemed to be love mucking about with pencil and colors. Means I hated art class means writer is not willing to take the class because he hate art class. Okay, so everyone in the class just mucking the dust from his pencil and color. Mucking me remove the dust from the objects. Okay, so everyone in the class mucking or remove the dirt from his or her pencils by the time because they all hate the art class. We have a quite a few artists in the class. He said he's mentioning that in our class there are just few artists. Artist means the person who do something creative, who do something nicely and creatively. There is a Ned. Ned is the name of a person, a boy, who can draw beautiful sketches with amazing detail. Means He is sharing that Ned is his friend who can draw beautiful sketches. Okay, and there is Dexter. Dexter is also the name of a class fellow of a writer who churns out fantastic landscapes. Churns out mean beat, whisk, mean to draw something fantastically, okay? And landscapes mean scenery or a painting or a scenery. So Dexter loves to draw the landscape. So he is also an artist. So Ned and Dexter is basically an artist type person. Okay. Even my friend Susan had won a consolation prize at the inter-school drawing competition with her landscape painting. He is sharing that even his friend, whose name was Susan, also won a consolation prize. Okay, the meaning of consolation prize is that the prize given to the person who lost the uh, participate who lost, and the prize given him just to motivate her, just to encourage her. The prize which is given to the person for the encouragement is called consolation prize. So Susan in, got the consolation prize at inter-school drawing competition with her landscape painting. Okay, understand? Now come to next paragraph. Our school is known for its innovative approach. Means our school is known. Our school was famous for innovative mean modern approach. Our school is very famous for modern teaching and modern type of equipments and modern types of teaching. Okay, what this means is that we regularly have poets, environmentalists, mountaineers, and even doctors lecturing us because their school is very innovative and modern. The reason behind this is that many famous and many skilled persons are there for teaching purpose. Means there are poets. Poets means the person who do poetry. Who do poetry, you all know. Environmentalists are the person who work to protect environment. Means if I protect a plant, I water them daily, I love the greenery and I love to keep the greenery. So it's mean I am environmentalist. Okay, mountaineers are the person who climb mountain, who study mountains. Okay, and even doctors lecturing us. So he is sharing the skill, that how much her his school is skilled because her teachers are including poets, environmentalists, mountaineers, and even doctors. Okay, as if the daily dread of the art class wasn't enough to drive me to despair, tomorrow there will be an art expert coming to school to talk to us. Poet is mentioning above that he hate art class. He don't like art class anymore. So when he heard the announcement that tomorrow there will be an art expert coming to school, he become fearful. Dread mean having fear of something. Okay, so he got fearful. As a part of the show, we have to paint while he walks around giving us his expert comment. Means the task of the class will be that they all have to draw in front of an art expert. You all know very well the person who is art expert is means some kind of a very brilliant art approach. Na? So writer have to paint in front of a art class expert, arts expert teacher. So he'll become more fearful and more hesitant to draw in the front of the art expert. Now come to next paragraph. What am I going to do? Is that cat going out to be the bag finally? Means writer here mentioned that a cat going out. of the bag is an idiom. Mean, kya is writer find something bad experience or not? Let's read another page. Turn to page. Okay. The day arrived when the art expert came to the class. Okay. 29th May 2012 it was dated 29th May and 2012. The writer is writing the most unimaginable thing happened today. Writer is explaining that the most unimaginable thing happened today. Unimaginable means which you can't imagine. You are not able to imagine something very surprise, something very different, which you don't expect. Unimaginable means. The art expert came to the school today. Okay, he was the exact opposite of what I had expected. So writer is mentioning that the day came, art expert came to our school, and the writer thought that it was some kind of person who is very annoying or something very, or someone who is very annoying or angry. But the art expert or the art teacher was totally different from his expectation. He was young, of medium height, means art teacher was quite young, quite charming, of medium height. He got medium height and he bounced into the class with hair flopping down, flopping down over his rimless spectacles. Means here uh, writer is sketching the appearance of our teacher. So our teacher was very young. He got medium height. He has long hairs. Flopping downs means come down. Means he have very long hairs which over his rimless spectacles. Rimless mean floating. His spectacles means glasses. So our teacher wear glasses. He got long hairs, medium height, and he was a young man. He even said good morning in a lovely voice and with a twinkle in his eyes. Means the art teacher good morning them or welcome them very cheerfully. Very cheerfully he welcomed his students, and he have a twinkle means a spark, a happiness in his eyes. Okay, he seemed like a nice guy. So finally writer find a art teacher something a nice person. Okay, so the expectations of the art teacher got opposite. Means writer thought that it was some kind of angry person or some kind of a old age man, but he was young, he was handsome, and opposite of her expectations. Okay, after giving us a brief introduction about himself. So our teacher gave them brief introduction about himself. Means what's her name, what's her profession, what's her likeness and dislikeness, all the things he cleared to them. And the art expert told us to start working on our canvases. Finally, art expert told his students, including writer, to paint something, to draw something on canvases. Canvas is the kind of a paper used to draw paintings. It's a kind of a paper which have also a cloth type material in it. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all are getting my lecture and also enjoying the lecture. It's like a story. So listen to me very carefully. Okay, it's very useful for you. My canvas was blank as my mind. So as writer mentioned above, he hate art class, so he his mind was empty. He has nothing in his mind to draw. Okay, he he has nothing in his mind to draw. Okay, I couldn't bear to mess it up. means writer don't want to draw anything on the canvas because he know the thing which I have drawn is a totally mess. He don't have any confidence on himself. Okay, I don't know what to do. Means writer don't know what to draw, what to paint, what to share on the canvas. I was scared. Scared mean fearful, having scary. I was scared that everyone would know my secret once I started to paint. So there's also a turning point in the story. Means writer have also a secret. Which secret? Let's read it till the end and then we will find the writer's secret. So finally we discovered that why writer hate art class because he have a secret. He was scared that everyone know his secret and then hate himself. Then I saw the art expert approaching. Oh, that's another thing happened to the writer that then he saw art expert coming towards him. Coming towards him, he find I quickly grabbed the first tube of paint. Then, uh, after seeing that the art teacher is coming to me, writer finally grabbed me hold to put on something. To put on something, he put the canvas and the paint tube in his hand and began to draw. Then I picked up another. He draw and paint with different colors and finally I savagely dabbed paint in wild strokes. Strokes means the painting the lines he rimlessly and he uh, unconsciously paints on the canvases. Okay? All over the canvas. I was in a great panic and fear. Means uh, artist the writer was in great fear, panic, hurry. Okay, he was in hurry. I was almost in tears when I finally stopped and dropped my brush. Finally, art. The writer becomes so fearful that the tears came in his eyes and he dropped the brush and finally stopped the painting. You would never believe what happened next. The writer is mentioning that the unbelievable thing happened to him finally. The art expert applauded. Art expert clapped for him. The unbelievable thing is that art expert did clapping for him. Okay? Everyone stopped working and started looking at us. Everyone in the class just started looking at the writer. You also seen that whenever your teacher give you appreciation, all your fellows started looking at you. Same like that. The art expert declared marvelous. Art expert gave him the remarks of a marvelous. You have the instinct. Instinct mean instinct mean you have done something very incredible, marvelous. You have done something very marvelous. I was stunned. I was shocked to to listen such remarks on my painting, to see such a remarks on my paintings. Okay, I was in a great panic and okay, he couldn't tell that I was colorblind. Means the secret of the writer is finally disclosed here. The writer was fearful of doing painting just because he is colorblind. He is a colorblind man. You all know, you know what is the meaning of colorblind? Okay, I'm telling you. Colorblinds are the persons who are unable to distinguish, who are unable to differentiate between red and green color. Means they don't know that this color is red or green. Means if the red and green colors are placed in front of that person, so he is not able to differentiate between them. Okay, colorblind persons are those who are unable to differentiate between red and green color. So the secret of the citer is that he is a colorblind person. So is he really an expert, or I was just plain lucky? So he got amazed that art expert didn't recognize that he is a colorblind person. Means no one knows his secret. Till he is fearful that everyone knows his secret and start hating him. But he think that I am lucky, or art expert is a really art expert. It was a close shave cut off. It was a close shave, means he was in a shock. He was in a shock. Okay, I went through today's ordeal without anyone knowing my secret. Ordeal means something bad experience, an experience or a practice which is very bad for a person, which will become very bad for a person. Okay, so it is the ordeal for the artist, it is the ordeal for the writer that his secret is kept closed still. I wonder how long it would be before they discover that I am colorblind. Means now writer is waiting, or writer is wonder that happy that no one is now knowing that he is a colorblind person. I wonder how much longer I have a dread every art class. He said that now I don't know how much longer I have to be fearful for every art class. Now he is somehow confident, uh, he is somehow uh, confident, somehow very feeling happy, but but he is now happy that no one knows his secret. Okay, my dear students, now the chapter is ended and I hope you all understand it very well. Now I am sharing words meaning and question answers with you. I am sharing word meaning and question answer of the chapter artist and artist. Okay, now my students, this is the words meaning. Kindly take the screenshots of all these words meaning. Please take the screenshot I am sharing with you. Do all the work like word meanings and question answer and homework in your fair copies with the ink pen, with blue ink pen and black pointer. Write all the words with black pointer and all the meanings with the blue ink pen. Okay? Also write questions with the black pointer and write the answers with the blue ink pen. Please take the screenshot of the screen. Dreadful means dreadful, fearful. Mucking, remove dirt. Churns, beat whisk. Landscapes, scenery. Consolation prize, prize given for encouragement. Innovative, modern approach. Environmentalist who work to protect environment. Mountaineers, mountain climber. Okay, Dis- despair, hopeless. Bounced, move towards. Original, flopping down, put something down. Rimless, floating. Spectacles, something seen. Canvas, fabric used for painting. Okay, grabbed, catched, strokes, shot, savagely, violently, applauded, clapped, stunned, ordeal or unpleasant experience. Okay, now my students, take the screenshot of the word meaning and do it in your fair copy.